Imagine you're a captain steering a ship through a vast ocean. Your ship is your product, and the ocean is a competitive marketplace like Amazon. Without a compass, you are likely to get lost. That compass in the e commerce world, my friends, is the product listing optimization. I've seen countless e commerce brands struggle to make a splash. They have amazing products, but they're lost in the digital sea. Why? Because their product listings are like the boats without sails. That means they are simply not visible. Let's talk about Sarah. Sarah owned a small business selling handmade jewelry. She had beautiful pieces, but her sales were stagnant. After a deep dive into her product listings, we discovered a treasure trove of untapped potential. By optimizing her keywords, crafting compelling descriptions, and enhancing her product image, Sarah's sales skyrocketed. This is where the magic of product listing optimization happens. It's about understanding your customers, knowing what they're searching for, and presenting your product in the best possible light. It's about making your product irresistible. But it's not just about keywords and images, it is about telling a story. Your product listing is your chance to connect with your customers on an emotional level. It's about creating a narrative that resonates with them, that makes them feel like your product is a solution to their problems. Take Apple, for example. Their product descriptions are more like poetry than product specs. They paint a picture of how their products will enhance your life. That is the power of storytelling in product listings. Now, let's talk about competition. The e commerce landscape is a jungle, literally. Every day, new products are launched and existing ones are getting smarter. It's the survival of the fittest. If you're not constantly optimizing your listings, you are falling behind. This is where data comes into play. We need to understand what's working and what is not. Are your keywords driving traffic? Are the images converting? Is the click through rate enough? Are your customers leaving reviews? These are all questions that data can answer. And this is where Xena Foresight comes in. It's our AI powered platform designed to simplify product listing optimizations. Imagine having a virtual assistant that can analyze your product, suggest optimal keywords, and even write compelling product descriptions. That's what Xena Foresight does. It takes the guesswork out of optimization and helps you focus on what you do the best: growing your business. By combining human creativity with AI efficiency, we can create product listings that truly stand out.